My name is Amy. I was in subacute nursing facility for over 6 years. I was never allowed to leave the hospital. They let me just one time go shopping for Christmas at Walmart. Just one time for a little over an hour, and they wouldn't let me go out again. So I thought that I would be stuck in that place forever. So I searched over 2 years. I found Sean with Freedom to Live. Now I'm able to do lots of things. I go shopping, I go to church, I went to Catalina Island. I even went and took a train ride to see my daughter in college when she moved in, and stayed out there a couple days to spend time with her. Freedom to Live has done a lot to help me, and I believe they are good for everybody that's a quadriplegic or paraplegic. And they really help people be independent and be able to live a great life and do things that they want to do when they want to do them.